Hi everyone, my name is Lexi Spera and I am a junior theater performance major here at Fordham Lincoln Center. We are almost done with the semester and that's really impressive considering that the transition to Zoom was really hard for a lot of us. But before the semester is over, it is super important that we finish the semester strong in the case of classes, our mental health, and our physical health, especially in the time of a pandemic. COVID is still rapidly spreading across the country, and we need to make sure that we are following the proper precautions to keep ourselves, our friends, our families, and our communities safe. Fordham has been setting a lot of great guidelines and a lot of standards for us, the students, the faculty, and everybody else to follow, but we need to make sure that we are actively following those standards and guidelines in order to keep each other safe. So here are a few reminders and a few tips to keep yourself safe during this time. First off, and the most obvious, is remember to wear your mask. Wearing a mask is literally the easiest thing to do and the simplest thing to do in order to protect yourself and the people around you from COVID-19. You should be wearing the mask at all times in public spaces, whether that's in a restaurant for outdoor dining, if that's in an elevator and public transit, especially when you're entering a local business, wear a mask. When arriving to campus, make sure that you filled out your vital check for the day before you scan your ID. This is just another precaution in making sure that we are keeping each other and the community safe. On the other hand, if you feel sick at any time or you think that you may come into contact with someone with COVID-19, don't come to campus. Just don't. It's as simple as that. Just call your healthcare provider, call University Health Services, update your vital check, and make sure that the people around you know that this is happening. If you are healthy and you want to hang out with your friends on campus, just make sure that you are following social distancing guidelines at all times. That is 6 feet apart and wearing a mask. You should be observing social distancing guidelines at all times when in public and on campus. Last but not least, please monitor and be careful about what you do when you are participating in an off-campus activity. You are in charge of yourself and your actions. Make sure that you are not putting yourself or other people at risk if you are going to participate in an off-campus activity that can potentially be harmful or spread COVID. Do not ruin it for the rest of us. The guidelines that are set are super easy to follow and vital for us to follow if we want to keep each other safe. So please wear your mask, socially distance, and stay safe.